Please subscribe my channel World History 360 and press the bell icon for more updates. In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Dear listener, today the topic I will discuss is triple X. What is a triple X? I explain it and I also will tell you what is meant by pornography. Let's begin. First of all, I explain what is triple X. Dear listener, I want to tell that the triple X nowadays becomes very common. These triple X videos are very common nowadays. These videos are very dangerous for human life. Every person who want to live healthy and pure life, I advise him that he never see such videos. These videos are very immoral and against the our ethics and our Islamic and our moral laws, because these gives us a very immoral lessons, and when a person sees such type of videos, his emotions and other activities also have a negative effect on his body. So we avoid to see such videos. As a Muslim, we also avoid from such videos to see, because these are against our Islamic values and Islamic spirituals and our all the Islamic ethics. And I also advise that those persons who are not Muslim, they belong to any religions. I advise that they also avoid to see such kind of videos, because these videos are very dangerous for the human life. Because as you know that in Pakistan, these websites which provide such type of data are not allowed, but our young generation is very active and clever. They can see these from other website. So I again advise those persons who are not Muslim, or these are Muslim, these can avoid to see such type of videos, because these videos are very dangerous for the young generations, and our young generations lose their puberty, and other body become very weak when a person see such kind of videos. This was all about triple X. And other is a pornography. Pornography have already discussed on my channel. The pornography means different type of bare videos and bare pictures are available on net. The persons who visit pornography websites and they see such kind of bare videos and other immoral things. So this was all about pornography and triple X videos. Please subscribe my channel and share this videos and like. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.